CPIM General Secretary Mariam Baby questioned US role in India-Pakistan ceasefire, reaffirms bilateral path to peace, especially questioning the involvement of a third party, the President of the United States, in what he termed a bilateral issue. India agreed to ceasefire with Pakistan with the interference of the US President before India could take full revenge over the Pahalgam terror attack. However, in less than 3 hours of the announcement of ceasefire, drones were spotted in Srinagar, Udhampur and other parts of the Jammu region. Blackouts were enforced in several areas across Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab and Rajasthan as a precaution amid what marks another Pakistani drone intrusion in a series of nighttime provocation. Speaking during the briefing, Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri said it is a Pakistani action that have constituted provocation and escalation. Moreover, free hand was given to Indian Army to neutralize Pakistan. As such, CPIM General Secretary Mariam Baby questions US role in India-Pakistan ceasefire, reaffirms bilateral path to peace, specifically questioning the involvement of a third party, the President of the United States, in what he termed a bilateral issue. He further urged the government to elaborate the incident to the citizen.
You see, the position that my party, Communist Party of India Marxist, has been taking is that on bilateral problems, third-party intervention to negotiate or settle is uncalled for. Bilateral issues are to be bilaterally discussed and sorted out, not taking recourse to military solutions. This has been our time-tested approach. Government of India also used to maintain the position that internationalizing our domestic problems or our problem with our neighbors is unacceptable. We would deal with the problem with our neighbors in a mutually agreeable manner through negotiation. You see, de-escalation is taking place at different levels. So, Government of India will have to explain as to how the President of United States of America has made the announcement first. A day before US President made this announcement, we all followed the stand taken by the Vice President of United States of America, that we don't want to meddle with these things. We want these issues to be settled between the countries. That was what US Vice President stated a day ahead. Then comes this statement from the President of USA. The President of USA is not behaving as the President of USA. He behaves as though he is the President of the world, which is unacceptable. Anyway, now it is for Government of India to explain as to how this kind of a situation evolved. I remember our Foreign Secretary has stated that it was the Director General of Military Operations of Pakistan who called the Director General of Military Operations India and communicated that they are willing for a ceasefire. This was accepted. This is how Government of India spokesperson, Foreign Secretary, explained it. There is a discrepancy between his statement and the claim made by the President of United States of America. We expect Government of India would clarify as to how this confusion about the role of different countries in this ceasefire, that will be clarified, we hope.
Along with CPIM, Rahul Gandhi wrote an important letter addressed to Prime Minister Narendra Modi demanding for special parliamentary session to discuss the Pahalgam terror attack, Operation Sindoor and the ceasefire announcement by US President Trump. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.